Welcome to this tutorial on Authorize Net Webhooks, a powerful tool that helps you stay on top of transactions and customer interactions in real time. In this guide, we will explore the benefits of using Authorize Net Webhooks and provide practical examples of how to implement them effectively. First, let us define what webhooks are. Webhooks are essentially callbacks that are triggered by specific events, such as a successful payment or a declined transaction. When an event occurs, Authorize Net sends a notification to a predefined URL, allowing you to take immediate action. So why use Authorize Net Webhooks? The main advantage is that webhooks enable real-time notifications, allowing you to respond promptly to events as they happen. This is particularly useful for transaction updates, such as when a payment is made or when a subscription is updated. Another key benefit is that webhooks reduce the need for polling, which is the process of constantly checking for updates. By receiving notifications directly from Authorize Net, you can avoid unnecessary requests and improve system efficiency. To get started with Authorize Net Webhooks, you need to register a webhook endpoint with Authorize Net. This involves specifying a URL that will receive the webhook notifications. You can then configure the types of events you want to receive notifications for, such as payment notifications or customer profile updates. When a webhook notification is sent, it includes relevant details about the event, such as the transaction amount or customer information. You can then use this data to perform actions such as updating your database or sending a confirmation email to the customer. Best practices for using Authorize Net Webhooks include verifying the authenticity of the webhook, notifications to prevent unauthorized access. You should also implement error handling to ensure that your system can handle any issues that may arise. In conclusion, Authorize Net Webhooks provide a powerful way to stay on top of transactions and customer interactions in real time. By implementing webhooks effectively, you can improve system efficiency, reduce polling, and provide a better customer experience. With the benefits and practical examples outlined in this guide, you can start using Authorize Net Webhooks to take your business to the next level.